Hey guys, welcome to Tech Approve. So today we're going to be looking at the TicPods 2, which are Mobvay's new truly wireless earbuds. So why don't we start off by looking at some of the details that are written on the box. As we can see here, on the box it says that they have 23-hour music playback, which seems quite good, and we're going to be sure to test how good the battery life is on the TicPods 2. It says that they have Bluetooth 5, and Bluetooth 5 is pretty good, so they should also have some good range. It says that they're fast charging. I'm pretty sure it's USB-C. Well, we're going to be sure to check that out. It says that they're also pocket size, so they're probably quite tiny. And it also says that they have dual mic noise cancellation. So dual mic means it should be quite good and it shouldn't be that bad. So we're going to be sure to try out that noise cancellation too. So without further ado, why don't we just open these? Okay, so let's go ahead and open this now. I didn't bring a knife with me, so I'm just gonna try to open this with my fingers. So there's just like this plastic layer that we just need to get rid of. Ah, there, finally. One thing that I forgot to mention is that it also says that they have some awards. So they have some design awards and a red dot award. So they seem like that they've been rated pretty good, so we're gonna be sure to see how they are. So it seems like that it just slides out here like that, and you can see it says TicPods 2 here like that. And then there's another box. Now we have to just slide that open, and here we can see TicPods 2, an interactive TWS earphone, the AI assistant in your ear. Now, I don't know what that means. I have no idea what they mean by TWS, but I guess we're gonna find out. So it seems like this is a booklet. So we have a booklet here with some contact details and some details on how it works. Device pairing, multi-mode control, tick here, and tick motion. I don't know if these have tick motion or not, but because that was a feature that I did see on the TicPods 2 Pro, but I guess we'll see. So we'll put this off to the side here. So here's our box, and it does say to please remove it. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's kind of obvious to remove the film before using. So I guess we just take this, like that, yeah. Okay, that's pretty interesting. They have like a plastic thing. So these are quite tiny. Like, I've just taken them out of the box and they are quite tiny. I have, for comparison, I guess I have my fingers. So these are like one of my fingers. And that's how long it is. It's not that long. So why don't we go ahead and get rid of this plastic. So the plastic right here. Oh man, this is kind of difficult. Oh, okay. You know what? I can just slide it off. So it seems like they have like this kind of rubberized finish on the bottom that kind of grips. Well, okay, doesn't actually grip. And okay, you know what? I think that's just how it's kind of nice. It feels kind of nice. It's really nice. As you can see on the back, it does have a USB-C port, so that's going to be quite interesting, because that means you'll be able to just take these, and my phone uses USB-C, so I can easily just take my phone charger and plug it into this. So that's pretty nice. To open these, we just open them here, and here, as you can see, we have the TicPods themselves. There's a little button here. I guess that's a sync button or something. These are the TicPods themselves, so that is one TicPod. They're quite tiny. They do look a lot like AirPods actually, but I mean they are in blue, navy blue, and I do like this color. So, and it seems like that they have these magnetic contacts here, and that's how they'll be charging. So that's one. Why don't we just put it off to the side there? Take out the other one. Here's the other one. Quite tiny. And it seems like these are the mics here on them. And yeah. So why don't we put this one here? This is the case with the two contacts. And then there's this button here, which I'm pretty sure is a sync button. And yeah, the actual case, it feels kind of weird. And there's like a magnet. It's a strong magnet. It won't be falling out. But I mean, it doesn't feel that great, but it feels pretty good. On the back we just have some details, and yeah, that's basically it. Those are the TicPods 2. There will be a full review on these, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to Tech Improved.